April 13th, 2026. Let's get into it. GridTerm lets you run multiple terminal sessions side by side. It's perfect for Claude Code or Codex Power users. Check it out at gridterm.com, link in the description. Zuck is building a robot clone of himself to go to meetings, and honestly, can you even tell the difference? Meta is training an AI avatar on Zuckerberg's image, voice, mannerisms, and public statements, all so employees can feel more connected to the founder. Zuck himself is spending 5 to 10 hours a week on this project. If the experiment works, Meta plans to let all creators build AI clones of themselves too, so get ready for an internet full of AI Zuckerbergs. Great! Microsoft wants Copilot running in your computer around the clock, watching your inbox, checking your calendar, deciding what you should do next. The company confirmed to the information it's testing OpenClaw style always-on agents inside Microsoft 365 for enterprise customers. Their corporate vice president said they're exploring the potential of technologies like OpenClaw in an enterprise context. With better security than the open source version, which isn't saying much, expect the big reveal at Microsoft Build kicking off June 2nd. Speaking of companies trying to stay relevant in the agent era, Stanford dropped their annual AI report today, and it's basically a chart showing that AI insiders and the rest of humanity are living on completely different planets. Only 10% of Americans said they're more excited than concerned about AI. Meanwhile, 56% of AI experts think it'll have a positive impact. On jobs, it's even wilder. 73% of experts are optimistic, but only 23% of the public agrees. The people building the thing think it's amazing. The people whose jobs are disappearing disagree. Shocking, truly shocking. And while the nerds are debating AGI timelines, Vercel just revealed their revenue tripled in 2 years, and the CEO is not being subtle about going public. Annual recurring revenue went from $100 million at the start of 2024 to $340 million by February 2026. CEO Guillermo Rauch said the company is ready for an IPO, and here's the stat that got my attention. 30% of apps on Vercel's platform are already being deployed by AI agents, not humans. His whole pitch is that agents are about to flood the internet with software, and Vercel wants to host all of it. Bold bet. Meanwhile, up in low Earth orbit, someone put a GPU cluster in space and it is already rented out to 18 paying customers. Canada's Kepler Communications launched the largest orbital compute cluster in January. 40 NVIDIA Orin processors spread across 10 satellites, all connected by laser links. Their newest customer is Sophia Space, a startup testing passively cooled space computers because apparently heat dissipation is still a problem even when you're floating in the void. Full-scale space data centers are still a decade out, but edge inference in orbit, that is happening right now. And while we're talking about compute that runs without the cloud, AMD just open sourced a framework called Gaia, and it lets you build full AI agents that run entirely on local hardware, no cloud, no subscription, no data leaving your machine. Gaia supports Python and C++ and is designed specifically to take advantage of AMD chips. Agents built with Gaia can reason, call tools, search documents, and take action all completely offline. If you've been looking for a serious alternative to cloud-based agent platforms, go check it out. Link will be in the description. Don't forget, GridTerm, multiple terminal sessions side by side, gridterm.com, link in the description. That's your AI news for April 13, 2026. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's drop.